HTO Tuitions Online. Learn, grow, excel. Welcome to your online learning hub. Quran, Arabic, English, and Urdu, connecting hearts with knowledge. Quran School with expert qaris and scholars. Tajweed, Tafsir, and Tarjumah. Master the world's key languages with us, including English communication and writing, Urdu language and literature. We have both male and female tutors available to guide you. Experience our quality. Special offers, including free classes during the month of Ramadan, 50% off on Eid occasions, special rates for family packages. Our monthly plan is transparent and affordable at just $60 for 5 days a week, featuring live online classes, expert tutors, and flexible timings. See our quality for yourself on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Start your learning journey today. Contact us on WhatsApp, email us at hashmituitionsonline@gmail.com, or visit hashmituitions.com.